Well, good morning. This is our first daily assignment video that we're going to have as we start our new week and our new adventure of online learning. Today is March 30th, 2020. You can see the date up here at the corner of the board. And what we're going to do every day is just have this daily assignment video so that way you can write your assignments down and you can know what's expected of you for the day. So let's get started. It is Monday morning, and you always like to have a saying for the day, so let's call it Marvelous Monday, because you're going to do a marvelous job at this new online learning. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge here and there, but you're going to get it figured out, and you're going to Marco Polo me for help anytime that you need it. So what you need to do is you need to get out this daily video, this worksheet, and you see your daily assignment video here at the top. Okay, so make sure it's on Monday. I think I showed you the Thursday page. So what I want you to do is write down your assignments, not anyone else's assignments, but just your assignments, just like we do in the classroom in the mornings as we go through our assignments. And I've got some written on the board already, mostly because I already tried to make this video and it stopped on me. So we're going to try again. Let's look at the first blank on your work, which is your math. So you're going to write down just your math assignment. So beside math, if you're in Math 4, you're going to write down Lesson 114. If you're in Math 5, you need to write down Lesson 114. If you are in Math 6, you need to write down Lesson 103. If you are in Math Fundamentals, 12.1. And if you are in Math Pre-Algebra, then you're going to write down Chapter 12 test. And don't panic about the test. We'll talk about that in your own video, Pre-Algebra. But it's actually just going to be a review and open book. So we'll talk about that more in your video. Next slot is reading. So for reading, Math 4, you are going to read Chapters 15 and 16. There is no video for reading. So while math, there's a video for each one of these, there's not a video for reading. Okay, so you just do it like you would do every day. Go ahead and work in your packet and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, reading 5 is Chapter 7. Reading 6 is Chapter 18. Middle school, you're reading Chapter 2. Each one of you have your packet that was sent home, so make sure that you're working on that. Don't get behind in reading. You know that can be very painful if you do that. Next is spelling. There's no video for spelling. Do your first page of your new week. Handwriting, day 1. You can see that I didn't put that. Day 1 of your handwriting. Do your very best, okay? Because you're not gonna turn it in until Friday, so you want to be working and doing a good job on that all week. Science, you're going to be doing a mini book, but go ahead and watch the science video. That just gives you another opportunity to watch that video, and I'll give you instructions on it, so that way you know what's expected on that mini book. Middle school science, you're going to be reading page 245 to 249. I think there are some science experiments in there. Don't worry about those. Just read through them so that you understand them. If you want to do those science experiments at home, please feel free, but not required. And you're going to do journals 162 to 163. Typically, I read through this with you. I'm not going to be doing that with you by video this time unless we need it. But go ahead and work on that on your own, and then be sure to let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so that's science. Next is grammar. For grammar this week, we are only going to be doing sentences. So if you are in my red, blue, or orange grammar, we're on chapter 22, and you're going to be doing the sentences. Now with these sentences, there is a video, so make sure that you pull that video up before you get to those sentences. If you are in middle school, you also have a video today for pages 155. So for middle school, read page 155, and you'll find that on video for me to go over with you. And then you're doing 7-9 and 7-10. Okay, and I'll talk more about that in that video. I did a history video. So, and did your lesson for you there. And this is for everyone. And we're doing lesson 55 in history today. So make sure you go watch that video. It might be nice to put like a little star or to highlight the subjects that you have a video in to make sure that you go watch all of those so you don't miss anything. And then the last thing on your list for today is Bible. And for Bible today, you're just going to go into your spiral and you're going to go to page 147, and that is going to be your verse for the week. So that you'll have a scripture test on Friday. So you want to make sure that you hop right in and get that verse done so you can be practicing it all this week. Okay, the last thing that I want you to do is on your grammar line. Okay, I want each one of you to write a journal. Okay, that's going to be included in your grammar. We will do a journal most days. I want to hear what life is like for you. I'm missing out on seeing you every day, so I want to hear what's going on. Tell me funny stories about what's going on at your house, or what it's like to be quarantined, or what your fears are, or why this is a good thing, or what your prayer is. So go ahead and write to me. I want to just catch up with you and see what you've been doing the last 2 weeks. So make sure you get that checked off as well. That is going to conclude our daily assignment video. Make sure that you're helping your younger siblings, you're being sweet to your parents. We're honoring Jesus in our house, and we're a light on the hill in our houses right now, but we can glorify Jesus in the way that we do our work and our attitude in this situation. So have a magnificent, marvelous Monday.